Hello everyone, welcome to this video series on Web Technologies Lab. So in this video we are going to look at the subprogram D in the program 4. So what they are asking us to do in this subprogram is, again they are asking us to read a value n, that is a number, and for example n is given as 5. Then they are asking us to read 5 numbers, let's say for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what the thing they are asking us to do is they are asking us to display the sum of the all 5 numbers. So they are asking us to add all these numbers and display the result as output. So we have to display 15. Okay, so let's see how to do this. So first I'm going to save this file as sum. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is rename the title. So let's remove this and write sum of numbers. Now function I'm going to save as change it to n sum. So let's remove this code and let's keep this line here. I will come back to this later. So button text I am changing to get sum and function should be n sum. Okay. Now so for reading the value of n, just write enter a number, that's enough. Okay, now I will start writing the code for adding n numbers. For that I am declaring the variable sum and initializing it to 0. So my for loop where I equal to 1 to I less than or equal to n I plus plus, so the body of for loop. So here we have to read n numbers, right? So again we have to use prompt. So this time I'm declaring a variable num, and as usual, to convert integer to convert string to integer, I will use parseInt. And here to read data, I am using prompt. So here I am displaying the message enter number along with which number you want to show. I am writing I. Okay. Now to add sum equal to sum plus num. That's all. Very simple code. And after the for loop, just write alert sum of numbers is mm, plus sum. That's all. The code is completed. Now let's see the output. Sum. Okay, I am clicking the button get sum. So it is asking me to enter a number. I am giving 5. So click OK. Now it is asking me to enter first number. So 1, second number 2, third number 3, fourth number 4, fifth number 5. So sum of numbers is 15. Okay. So executing once again. So this time I'm giving number as 3. So first number 10, second number 20, third number 30. So total is 60. Okay. So that's it guys. This is the fourth program. It's completed. So see you in the next video. Thank you.